Now in the question 6, the histogram represents the average number of students hours that 12 students from each of two classes P and Q spend reading each week. So here we have the histogram for class P and here we have the histogram for class Q. So in the part 1, for each class calculate the mean, median, mode and range of the data. So to find out all these statistical measures, first we have to find out the frequency table for the class P and class Q. So here we have the number of hours, which is in the form of class intervals. There we have 0 less than equals to x less than 1, 1 less than equals to x less than 2, 2 less than equals to x less than 3, 3 less than equals to x less than 4, 4 less than equals to x less than 5, and 5 less than equals to x less than 6. Now the frequency for class P and class Q respectively. First we will observe the histogram showing the class P. So the frequency corresponding to the class interval 0 to 1 in the class P, we have 4, here we have 2, then we have 1, for 3 to 4 we have 0, for 4 to 5 we have 3, and for 5 to 6 we have 2. And the sum of frequency for the class P is 12. Now for class Q, for class interval 0 to 1 we have the frequency 0, for class interval 1 to 2 we have the frequency 1, for 2 to 3 we have again 0, for 3 to 4 we have 2, for 4 to 5 we have 5, and for 5 to 6 we have 4. Again the sum of frequency for class Q is 12. So this is the frequency table for the now the mean for class P can be found by using the formula summation fx divided by summation f. So here the summation fx is just like multiplying the data values with the corresponding frequencies. 0 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 0 plus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 2 and divided it with 12. Here we have 0, 2, 2, 0, 12, 10 divided by 12. And now here we have 26 divided by 12. And here we have approximately 2.17 hours. So the mean for class P is equals to 2.17 hours. Now mean for class Q. We have 0 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 0 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 12. That is equals to 1 plus 6 plus 20 plus 20 divided by 12. And here we have 47 divided by 12. And after division, we will get 3.92 hours. So the mean for class Q is equals to 3.92 hours. Since n is equals to 12, so first we will find out the position of median. By using n plus 1 divided by 2. So here we have 12 plus 1 divided by 2, and it will be equals to 13 divided by 2, and it will gives us 6.5. So the position of median is equals to 6.5. Now to find out the median, we have to find out the cumulative frequencies for the class B. So here we have 4 add 2 is equals to 6 add 1 is equals to 7 add 0 is equals to 7. Now 7 add 3 is equals to 10 add 2 is equals to 12. So now we have to identify the cumulative frequency, which is greater than n plus 1 divided by 2, and that was 6.5. So the model class nearly equals to this is something like 0 less than equals to x less than 1 less than equals to x less than 2 less than equals to x less than 3 less than equals to x less than 4 less than x is equals to less than 5, and here we have 5 less than equals to x less than 6. So the median will be the mean of the two middle values here, and those are 1 plus 2 divided by 2, and it will be equals to 3 over 2, and it will give us 1.5 hours. So the median will be equals to 1.5 hours. To find out the cumulative frequency for class Q, so we have 0 add 1 is 1 add 0 again is 1 add 2 is equals to 3 add 5 is equals to 8, and 8 add 4 is equals to 12. Since the position of the median is 6.5, so we have to find out the value greater than 6.5, and that is 8. So here we have the value 6.1. So here we have the value corresponding to the cumulative frequency of 8 is the class interval 4 less than equals to x less than 5. So the median will be equals to 4 hours. Now to find out the mod for the class Q, we have to find out the value with the highest frequency, the number of hours. So the mode for class B will be equals to, so here we have the highest frequency corresponding to the number of hours, and that is 0. The highest frequency is 4, so the mode for the class B is equals to 0. Now mode for class Q, we have to find out the number of hours with the highest frequency for the class Q. So here we have 4. So the mode for class Q is equals to 4 hours. Now to find out the range for class B, here we have 5 minus 0, so it will give us 5 hours. So the range for class B is equals to 5 hours. Now the range for class Q will be equals to 5 minus 1, and it will give us 4 hours. So the range for class Q is equals to 4 hours. In the part 2, which class has reading time with a smaller spread? Justify your answer. Class Q because its range of reading time is smaller than that of class B. Now in the part 4, which class spends more time reading? Justify your answer. Class Q because its mean, median, and mode reading times are greater than that of class B. In the question 7, the tables below show the messes of 100 students from school R and 100 students from school S. All messes are corrected to the nearest 5 kg. So here's the table for school R and here's the table for school S. The National Statistic Division requires the combined statistic mean and range of both schools. In the part 1, can we use x bar plus y bar divided by 2 to find the combined mean? Justify your answer. The answer is yes, because the data is taken from equal number of students per school. So if we find the sum of masses of the 100 students for each school, and add them up, then take the mean over. Total of 200 students. So we get summation of x plus summation of y divided by 200, since x bar is equals to summation of x divided by 100, and it will gives us summation of x equals to 100 x bar. So here we can put the values just like 100 x bar. Similarly for summation fy we have 100 y bar divided by 200. Now we factor out 100, and here we have x bar plus y bar bracket closed divided by 200, and after simplifications we will get 2, so it will be equals to x bar plus y bar divided by 2. Since the mean mass of each student from school R and S R, as we have discussed, is equals to x summation fx divided by 100, and for school this is for school R, and for school S we have y bar is equals to summation fy divided by 100. Respectively. So we can easily find out the values just like summation fx is equals to 100 x bar and summation fy is equals to 100 y bar. So we have already just put these values above here. Hence we can find the combined mean by using x bar plus y bar divided by 2. Now in the part 2, can we add the range of the masses for both schools to find the combined range? Explain your answer. No, because the combined range is 80 kg minus 45 kgs we have taken these two values just because the highest data value for the school S and the smallest data value for the school R. So we have 80 kg minus 45 kg, and it will gives us 35 kgs just because it is a combined range, which is not equal to the sum of respective range of for school R 70 kg minus 45 kg is equals to 25 kg, and for school S 80 kg minus 40 kg, and it will be equals to 40 kg. Since 25 plus 40 is not equals to 35, so we cannot find out the combined range. 3. Find an estimate of the combined mean and range of all the 200 students. So to find out the combined mean, we have 7 multiplied by 40 plus 26 multiplied by 45 plus 60 multiplied by 50 plus 34 multiplied by 55 plus 25 multiplied by 60 plus 33 multiplied by 65 plus 10 multiplied by 70 plus 1 multiplied by 75 and plus 4 multiplied by 80 divided by 200. Since the total frequency here is 200, already given in the question, we get this 26 just like adding up 21 and 5, so it will give us 26, and we get this 60 just by adding up 36 and 24. We get 34 just like adding up 28 and 6. We get 22. We get 25 just adding up 22 and 3. We get 33 just by adding up 7 with 26, and we get 10 by adding up just 8 and 2, and we continue 1 and 4. Now we will make calculations here. 7 multiplied by 40 is equals to 280 plus 26 multiplied by 45 is 1170 plus 60 multiplied by 50 is equals to 3000 plus 34 multiplied by 55 is 1870 plus 25 multiplied by 60 is equals to 1500 plus 33 multiplied by 65 is 2145 plus 10 multiplied by 70 is equals to 700 plus 75 and 75 and 84 is the 80 multiplied by 4 is 320 divided by 200. Now adding up all these values we will get 11,060 divided by 200, and it will be equals to further 55.3 kgs. So the combined mean is equals to 55.3 kgs. Now to find out the combined range, now we'll find out the combined range by taking the highest value, and that is present in the school S table, and that is 80 kg. Now we have to find out the smallest value, and that is also present in school S table, and that is 40 kg. So it will be equals to 40 kg. So the combined range is equals to 40 kg.